Bloody hell, I got some packages today. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Snicklefritz here today, and I hope you like that little retarded intro. But I got me some packages today. Only one of them's mine, which is this one. It's kind of hard filming like this. God damn. It's this one. It is a keyboard. Spoiler alert. But I'm happy to get this one. This one, I actually got this for my brother-in-law V3ZRA, but we'll unbox that later. We usually live stream Minecraft. I don't have Fraps yet, so I cannot put it on YouTube. But we stream, and I always stream at night because I get off pretty late. And I can't see my keyboard because, as you can tell, it's just a regular keyboard. But, oh, something opened up. That's not good. Anyways, so I got me a lighted keyboard. It's, I got it from Hong Kong. I pre-opened it. I didn't open it all the way, but I just didn't want to look like a tool. And I got it from Hong Kong just because of the lights. Well, I guess I'm going to end up looking like a tool. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, and we're back. I'm sorry. And yes, that is a sock. Alright, that is my ghetto pop filter, but it works, man. Here's my keyboard. I play Minecraft, and as you all know, you use a WASD, and I don't know, I haven't found a game that uses that yet. And the mouse. I am in the works of getting a gaming mouse, something with weights and stuff like that. But this is what I got. Let me hook it up, and I'll be right back, guys. And we're back, guys. I got it all hooked up, but what the fuck? It doesn't light up? Oh no, and there it goes. I know it's not the best keyboard, but who really uses keyboards nowadays? It's all about that phone technology, son. Not really, but still. And I know there are razors, and they get a cool ass fucking spider. Look what I get. Oh, it's a kangaroo. You can't really see it. Fucking focus. Here, let me see. Let me get this here right quick. Can you see that? No? Can we see? Try it. Try it. There. Up. Nope. Anyways, it's a Chinese kangaroo. So, yeah. I'm pretty excited. I can actually fucking play in the dark now. And that's what I got. We'll be back for V3ZRA's unboxing later. Like I said, it's a surprise, so I hope he really likes it, guys.
Hey guys, what's going down? It's V3ZRA here, aka V3ZRA. I don't know what else you want to say.
Do you know why you're here today?
No, I do not know.
Okay, you stay right there. I got you a little something today. So,
is that from Newegg? What the fuck, broca? Is this what I think it is?
I don't know. I don't know what Newegg is, honestly.
Did you order it from Newegg?
Not that I know of.
Dude, what the fuck? What did you do that for?
Because we're going to make it together, man.
Oh my god, this guy is fucking awesome.
We are a team.
I love you. I love you, no homo.
No, I just wanted to get this from my brother-in-law. He helped me out quite a bit, so I thought I'd return the favor. And he can't make no videos without them. He can't stream without it, so now he's set to go. The only thing I ask in for return is some good videos and maybe a couple nice stream templates or layovers, overlays.
For sure, bro. For sure.
That's all I ask, man.
Dude, oh my gosh.
Say bye.
On a youngin', I be sleeping when I'm dead. If I don't sleep when I'm behind, and I won't sleep when I'm ahead. My competition in the mirror, I'm competing till the air.